Hi friends, welcome to Camera Go. Guys, today we will talk about 10 important points to remember before wedding photography. So, the first one is legal contract, because circumstances can change, but having a legal contract can protect you to ensure that you still receive payment. It is also a great way of laying out exactly what the couple receives from you on the final delivery. Second, be prepared for expectations and visit the venue. Wedding photography is to get the couple to couple's expectations. However, you should aim to deliver photos to the standard to which you advised when the couple booked you. Think ahead about the shots that they would like you to capture on the day and make list so that you can check them off. This is particularly helpful in the family shots. Nothing is worse than realizing that you didn't photograph the happy couple with their mother. So create a list, for example, 20 must-have shots by simply meeting with the bride before the wedding, and create a shoot list can be a great help to meet and go through exactly what will happen on the day. This can put a beginner at ease and give them a little more time on the day. Third, use zoom lens in some situations. If you notice that you are not getting the bride and groom to relax and interact with each other while you're taking photos, the best thing, you can use a zoom lens so the couple will naturally begin to interact with each other and you will be able to get the shot since you are out of their way. Fourth, keep an extra camera ready. So keeping an extra camera ready can help you deal with any equipment failure issues while shooting an important event. So you can rent or buy or keep a second camera body. The small price of renting a camera for the wedding is a huge benefit. Fifth, take fun photos also. It doesn't have to be all serious. Laughter is a wonderful memory, so you can take fun photos also. Sixth, capture different angles. Walk around and take shots from different angles. Taking images from different angles makes photograph looks different. Seventh, use continuous shooting mode. Sometimes it's the shot you take a second after the formal shot when everyone is relaxing. That can really capture the moment that you need. 8. Shoot in RAW. Wedding is one time that it can be particularly useful, so much flexibility to manipulate shots. Wedding can present photographers with tricky lighting, which result in the need to manipulate exposure and white balance. 9th, consider your backgrounds. One of the challenges of weddings is that there are often people going everywhere, including the backgrounds of your shots. Using aperture or focal number to blur backgrounds can help you, or you can use different angles, or even you can move your subject to find perfect background for your images. And the 10th and one of the most important point is to give the photos back to the couple soon after the honeymoon. Makes them feel happy. So friends, these were the 10 important points to remember before wedding photography. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like the video, share the video and comment. Thanks.